So sometimes you're best taking it out and trying a dozen times rather than smashing the screen once. You didn't get my ball spot then, did you?
Which one?
Oh! This corner's gonna ready.
Yeah.
Oh. Morning all. You join us Friday again for a bit of a worrying day today, isn't it, for us? It's nearly 20 to 11 and we're only just discovering what we're going to do. Well, we know what we're going to do, but we're putting it off. Today, we're going to try to fit the glass just to make sure it fits. So we've got rubbers for the rear. We've got all the windows and all the rubbers, haven't we?
Yeah.
Some are original, some are reproductions. So this is a genuine glass, this one, isn't it? Yeah. So these are genuine glasses. These are genuine rubbers. But as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap. Woo. Ventilation gap. Now, we think it's because obviously they're just old rubbers out there. Yeah. What we should do is put these in hot water just to soften them up a bit as well. We're going to put the windows in today. The reason why we're going to do that is because we want to sort of crack on with the bodywork and make sure that the bodywork is as close as we can get it to go into the body shop. Before it goes to the body shop, we've still got to do the interior panels, so we've still got to do them. We've been talking, that's why we're a little bit late this morning, so we've been talking about what we're going to do and how we're going to refinish this, because the devil is in the detail, as they say, don't they?
Yeah.
So you're not speaking much today.
No, I'm still chewing my toast.
Yeah, we've had to have a few tea and toasts moment, haven't we, this morning? Right, what we'll do then is, I think, should we do the quarter windows first?
We'll start at the easiest ones.
Start at the easiest ones. So we've had a look at the front ones, the doors, because I've actually got original glass, and this is for the driver's side, but it's got a quarter window that turns, that we've been looking on how it works, yeah. And then this back window on the original gull wings, it actually unscrews and you can pull the back window out. Why you'd do that, I don't know, obviously for ventilation, but this has got aircon in it, so we're probably not going to use that. And I think it'll make it a lot harder for sealing it and so on and so forth. So we've been discussing that. And then obviously you've got to get them chromed once they fit. Look nice, don't they?
They look nice. That is for other side though.
Yeah, I know it's for other side.
Before anybody says you've got latches on wrong
yeah,
side.
before you get latches on it. I do like the comments that we get from people as well. Some people that, should we say, haven't watched the other series, the other episodes,
yeah.
And then make comments, oh, that don't work, or you haven't done this, or you haven't tried that. So, but there are some very, very, very good comments. So please, like I say, send some comments. Just say hello if you want. We'll say hello back to you, won't we?
Oh yeah, hello. We'll start now.
Yeah, hello. Right, I'll tell you what then, let's file this down. We'll do a uniform gap all the way around here. What do we say about 8mm?
8mm, I think it measured, didn't it?
Yeah, so we've measured the rubber depth with the straight edge, and we've got it to 8mm, so we're just going to go around here, make sure it's all nice and smooth. So obviously there's parts like that looks like it's been chewed by a rat. Yeah. And then we'll try the window first. I think Pedro in Mexico might be screaming if we get this wrong and break them. Fingers crossed we don't. Right.
No, let's not.
Scream like Ned Flanders. Right, come on then, let's get this done. we can't get the window in. We can get the window in, but it looks horrible.
It's not right.
So we've just gone around and marked the glass, and as you can see, if I could, you see the little line there? That's actually where the glass is. We've just put the glass in and marked it all the way around, and it still needs quite a bit taking out. So we're going to do that next. Take a tiny. I don't think we'll go all the way to that line, will we?
No, because it has got a bit of a step on.
Yeah. So we've got the rubber here.
That's the bit where glass sits there.
Yeah.
And that's the bit that goes
On the channel. Yeah.
So there is that little bit of a step there.
Yeah. Right. Let's just take a little bit more off then, and let's see where we go. See if it goes in any easier. You can see your bald spot from here.
My bald spot?
Yeah.
Sorry, you have to bleep that out.
Serves you right. So we're just doing windscreen. Alex has been doing the windscreen. That's why there's dust everywhere. So just been cutting the windscreen support down. What we done? About 11 mil.
That was 10 mil. I've done that.
That 10 mil. So we've done about
anyway.
10 mil. Same with back and everything. Other side's in. So the other side glass is in. You won't think it's glass, would you? Look at the state of that. That's in. We haven't put the trim on. This side we're going to actually try it with putting the trim on. Where have I put it? Yeah, down here.
Yeah.
Put it somewhere safe so I don't stand on it.
What, on floor?
Yeah, on floor. There we go. So we're going to try to put it in now with the trim on and see if we can do it. Do you want to have a go now?
Yeah.
Come on then, I'll take this off at roof so I don't knock it flying. Right. Right, how long did it take us to do the other one? About 3 minutes.
3 hours.
3 minutes. I can edit it. Right. How about this? Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
As they say. Or eventually the sun will shine on a dog's ass.
Yeah.
As I'd like to say.
Yeah, somebody's got to be lucky at some time.
Yep. Right, so I should go this way. Right.
Anyway, all the way
I'm
again.
going to say it needs to go down a bit. How long way out is this? Yep. Oh, ow. That hurt. Let's go in. That's a little bit. Right, okay. We're tackling the windscreen now.
Yeah.
He says with confidence.
I just need to flat.
Sharp bits off. Okay, mate. This corner's gonna ready.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, that wet glass.
Just be careful.
You might have to do like a circular motion.
Yeah. Let me come down. Oh, I don't like that noise that glass fiber's making. There we go. Right.
It's a long way out at the top as well.
Yeah. Take it out.
You think more shaving?
I don't know if it's more shaving or... Right, let's just... We didn't actually try it to see if it fitted actually, did we?
Not this one. It does seem to. I don't think we were in far enough.
It didn't seem to be down far enough.
No.
We'll finish that one there. Right. Last time it's going in. What's this? 4?
Yeah.
It's 4. If it don't go in this, we'll just smash it up and put it in pieces.
We'll get a perspex one cut.
Yeah. Right.
That's sort of sat in now.
That's sort of sat in. Yeah.
So you think it's got to go.
You think? Do you think?
Yeah. Do you know what it is? Oh, we
You're not allowed to say that.
we shouldn't be doing stuff like that.
You can't say that.
Oh, bugger.
You can't. You can't even sing. Do you want to be my gang, my gang? Corner's coming in a lot easier.
You've done it again, haven't you?
What?
You've done that curse thing.
Oh, sorry. Right. I'm going to go this way now.
Okay. You want to come and have a look at gap, see if it wants to move over or not?
Oh, right.
What's it like that side?
There's a door there.
There's a door there. I did that the other day. Several times.
Right. Okay. definitely needs to go down. Because oh, don't.
What?
No, it's gonna do it again.
Will it pull from this end again?
I think it's, yeah. It needs to go down. It needs to go down a lot.
Tap down with the top mallet.
Yeah. Right, 20 to 7, Friday evening. We're going to leave it there. As you can see, we've got the front screen in, 2 rear quarters in, they're in. We're a little bit disappointed, to be totally honest, today. I'm really disappointed because we thought we'd get a lot more done. We thought we'd get these in easy, but they have been an absolute nightmare.
Proper nightmare.
Yeah. Glass doesn't bend, as you know, so if you get it wrong, you're starting again, and this is very expensive glass that I searched a long time for to get. So we've got it. We've just put the rear screen in to try it before we put the rubbers on, and as you can probably see how close the glass is to the edge. I've marked it with a marker pen there. That's not going to go in. That is not going to go in. Same at the top, and it's the same on that side. What we are going to try to do is do some wet sanding and hopefully take the glass down a little bit. Fingers crossed. But we're going to leave it there because that's it. It's been a long day and a frustrating day. So, but these things, little jobs like this, as Jonathan was just saying earlier on, you go to try to do a job and you think, it'll take a couple of hours, and it don't. It takes you sometimes hours, sometimes days. But these are the things that you've got to do. All I'll say is have a great week wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye from me.
Bye from me.
Do you want to say goodbye, Jonathan?
And it's goodbye from him.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.